Alright guys, this case is about to challenge everything you think you know about parental responsibility. A grandmother steps into court, claiming she's been raising her granddaughter while both parents are living completely different lives, one serving in the military, the other chasing college dreams. The question is, when a child is left behind, who should really carry the burden? Stay with this one because the judge has some powerful words ahead.
Need to know before I move over to Miss Nikki.
I just, see her like on all these TikTok videos and on Facebook where she's partying and clubbing. I mean, I get it. You're in college and you want to have fun, but don't forget that you have a responsibility.
Okay.
You still have a child at home that needs you, a mother needs some help. And
I agree with that.
Yeah, she's just not being a good mom right now.
Okay. All right. Miss Nikki, why are you not being a good mom?
It's not that I'm not being a good mom. It's just that I'm in school full time.
Okay.
And
so being in school full time means you can't be a mom?
Well, I'm away at school.
At this point, the grandmother isn't just asking for money, she's describing a pattern of absence. Legally, child support follows responsibility, not convenience. If you're caring for a child every day while the parents contribute little or nothing, the court starts looking at who is actually acting as the parent. What would you do if you found yourself raising your grandchild with no help?
She's 2. So besides going to school, what else do you have that defines you as a good mom?
I mean, I do what I can.
As in what?
As in,
she just said
she's here
that,
now.
Excuse me, she just said that you are not providing any financial information and you barely come to visit the child when you're in town.
Like I said, when I got pregnant, I did not want a baby. She was like, I want a granddaughter. And I was like, I'm sorry, I don't.
Oh, I get it. So because you didn't want Sterling and she did,
Here's where the emotional conflict becomes impossible to ignore. Nikki admits she never wanted to become a mother, but the judge immediately shifts the conversation back to reality. Family courts don't decide cases based on what someone wanted years ago, they focus on the child who exists today. Did hearing that change how you see this case?
Care of her, I don't believe she thought that she was going to be raising another child on her own. Am I right about that?
Yes.
She is a grandmother.
This conversation. I'm in school full time. I told her I can't.
How long do you have left in school?
I have a year left.
So Sterling is going to be with her another year, and then another year, and another year. She's just going to raise the baby.
No, I will have a job by then. I'll be working.
Okay.
She's 2. She won't remember any of this.
I'm just going to play like you did not say that.
She won't. I mean, I when I go home, I see her, we FaceTime, all of that.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I'm not. I mean, I don't understand.
I mean, I don't understand either, because you said as I was saying and you still haven't said anything.
I said what I had to say. I'm in school full time.
This is a critical legal moment. Nikki argues there was an agreement for the grandmother to raise Sterling while she finished school. But private family agreements don't erase a biological parent's legal duties. Even if a relative volunteers to help, the responsibility to support the child never disappears. That's the distinction the judge is making here.
Kind of stuff.
Yes, I am an influencer. So I try to get
wait
brand
a minute,
deals.
hold on. You said you're in school full time, you don't work?
Correct.
But influencers get paid.
I haven't gotten paid
Come
in a
on,
while.
make it make sense.
I haven't gotten paid in a while.
But you get paid.
Yes.
And you can send money for Sterling, right?
Yes, and I do.
And you don't.
I do.
That's not what she just said.
Okay.
So is she being untruthful? Or
I do what
untruthful?
I can. I am in school full time. I don't know what else. This is so crazy to me, like why we're right here right now, because
we're here right now because grandmother needs some financial assistance for her child.
This life.
Notice how the judge keeps returning to one simple question. What are you actually doing for your daughter? Video calls, excuses, and future plans aren't enough when someone else is paying daycare and handling daily care. Courts weigh actions far more heavily than promises. Do you think college should excuse a parent from these responsibilities?
It's okay, I'll take care of it while you're in school, and all of a sudden something changed, which is why we're sitting here now.
Can you believe this?
I really can't. I mean, I expected you to help at least. Of course, I'm not going
I have a year
to.
left. I do what I can.
So Sterling
So
is
it's a year left of her taking care of your daughter, you and Tanner's daughter.
This is what you wanted.
But I thought you were going to
said
help.
that you were going to take care
I
of
thought
her.
you were going to still be a good
Oh,
mom
Miss
to
Nikki,
Sterling.
you are
though.
so unbelievable right
Yes.
now. You are the mom. She is the grandmother.
Exactly.
What part of that don't you understand?
I understand all of it. We had a whole agreement that she would raise the child until I was out of school. So when I come home, I do see my child. I do.
Barely.
Now the courtroom takes another dramatic turn. Nikki insists the grandmother chose this life, almost suggesting that accepting temporary help meant accepting permanent responsibility. But legally, helping family doesn't mean adopting all financial obligations forever. The judge isn't buying that argument, and you can hear the frustration building.
What difference would it make if she had a boyfriend? That
Because
is none of
she
your
chose
business.
this life.
Excuse me.
I could have waited.
You chose this life. You had the child with Tanner. Miss Wilson, Miss or Mrs., I'm sorry.
Miss.
Miss Wilson did not have the child. You did. The child is your responsibility, not grandmother's. Whether she wanted a grandchild or not. I know a lot of grandparents that say, oh, when are you going to have me a grandchild? I want a grandchild. They never anticipate that phrase to mean I 100% am taking care of the child. You are unbelievable right now.
I'm not. I'm really not.
You really are.
No,
So
I'm
you know
really
what?
not.
What we're going to go ahead and do is get Miss Wilson the proper financial support that she needs to take care of your daughter. So you understand that. Let me repeat it again. Your daughter. So you don't walk out of this courtroom believing that someone else has the obligation of taking care of your child. She does not have to step in and do anything.
She does not.
This may be the strongest moment of the hearing. The judge reminds everyone that grandparents asking for grandchildren never means they expect to become full-time parents. It's a powerful distinction because the law protects children first, not broken family expectations. Who do you think carries the greatest responsibility in this situation?
How much that cost?
About 108. Tanner takes care of that part.
Okay, Tanner takes care of that. So let me just make sure I make a note of that. All right, and mom doesn't do anything.
Nothing.
Okay, and you said that 6
I do a lot.
months the child has been with you?
Yes.
Okay. Daycare is $800 a month. Okay, so what I'm going to do, when you're influencing, let me ask you a question. How much money are you getting off of that consistently?
Consistently, I would say maybe $2,000 a month.
$2,000 a month? And you haven't sent her anything?
I mean,
Now the case shifts from emotion to numbers. Child support isn't calculated based on sympathy, it's based on evidence, income, and documented expenses like daycare and health insurance. Every answer about money now directly affects the final support order. This is where the legal strategy really begins.
I had books to pay for.
Right, so your books cost $2,000.
Yes.
Are you getting financial aid from school?
I have maxed out all my financial aid. I maxed out all my loans. I don't know what else to do. I'm doing what I can. Like I said, I'm
Have
doing
you
what
ever
I can.
considered moving from New York? I know it's expensive
No,
to
I
live
have
there.
a huge internship. Why would I? No.
Oh,
No.
okay. So your internship is more important than raising your daughter.
No, it is not. But I am doing this for my daughter.
Oh, okay.
So
That's what you believe. That's fine.
that is what I know. I'm doing this for my daughter.
Well, what I know is you're getting ready to pay child support. So
The influencer income creates an interesting legal issue. Nikki admits she earns money online, but her testimony about how much she actually makes is inconsistent. Without reliable financial proof, judges often avoid using uncertain income figures. Instead, they'll rely on verified evidence. That's exactly where this hearing is headed.
Minimum wage. We're also going to set your child support at minimum wage, okay? I'm going to order that Tanner maintains the health insurance, and then I'm also going to have you reimburse half of that health insurance back to him. So, no, not reimburse half of it. You're going to reimburse the back pay, because I'm going to order you to pay back pay as well. She said 6 months. So Tanner is going to maintain the health insurance at 108, okay? There will be no reimbursement on that part of it, because what I'm going to do is have you pay monthly child support and minimum wage, which is $219, as well as back pay to grandmother. So $219 multiplied by the past 6 months, Tanner's portion is $657.
This ruling may surprise some viewers. Even though the father serves in the military and likely earns more than minimum wage, the judge only has limited financial information. Courts can't simply guess someone's income, they need evidence. So both parents are temporarily assigned child support based on minimum wage until better information becomes available.
No, are you happy now? I know I'm happy because you're finally supporting your child financially, and grandmother gets some assistance with paying this daycare.
Grandmother wanted a baby. She's grandmother.
And you know what?
This is your part.
And grandmother
so whenever
is here. Grandmother is here because she also wanted some financial help. Is there anything further, ma'am?
No, we're done here.
Oh, obviously. Is there anything further?
No, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Hi guys, it's me, Judge Vonda B. I wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Wilson case. Here you have it. There's another grandparent case. In this particular situation, dad was in the military. He was away off, tending to his duties. Mom.
The final order sends a very clear message. Both parents, not just one, must contribute financially because someone else has been carrying the entire burden. The grandmother wasn't asking for a reward. She was asking for help raising a child who depends on all the adults involved. Justice, in this case, was about shared responsibility.
She's maxed out on the student loans that she can receive and everything like that. But she still needed to pay something, which is why her child support was set at minimum wage. Something else that stood out about this case was that dad's child support was also set at minimum wage. Now, we may know that dad may make more money. However, his mother didn't have that information with her when she came to court. So his child support was set at minimum wage. Mom's child support was set at minimum wage. They were both ordered to reimburse.
What started as a family disagreement ended with an important legal lesson. Temporary help from a grandparent never replaces a parent's lifelong responsibility. The judge balanced the law with compassion, making sure the child, not the adult's excuses, remained the center of the case. If this courtroom drama surprised you too, drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom stories and legal breakdowns.